Today we're going to be looking at different processes that work with wool. Now, wool can come from many different places. Most people think of wool as coming from a sheep, our elementary understanding of that white, fluffy sheep. But there are many different types of sheep coming in many different colors. Their fibers have different properties that are good for one thing or another. But fiber or wool doesn't just come from sheep. You can also get it from alpacas or llamas. I've even used wool from an Angora rabbit. Some people also take fibers from other animals such as dogs or cats and spin them up or add them to their work. You can also use different plant fibers. So cotton, it's a very typical fiber that we all wear, can be used in many processes in replacement of animal wool. There's also flax and linen that can be used. Rayon is a really nice animal substitute that is not synthetic, although many people think it is. There's different polyester blends and nylon blends that are substitutes for working with animal wool.